Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making chicken finger white rice. I am specially making for kids. It's very easy, yummy and delicious. Now let's start. For chicken finger, I am using 200 grams of chicken fingers. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Now mix well. Now leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, in a hot oil add chicken fingers and cook on medium flame for 3 minutes until golden brown. After 3 minutes, take out from the wok. It's yummy and delicious. Add 3 tablespoons of oil, 7 to 8 black peppercorns, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix well and cook for 30 seconds. Add 1 capsicum, 1 carrot. Mix well and cook for a minute. After 1 minute, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix well and cook for a minute. Now I am adding 200 grams boiled rice with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now mix carefully. Add fried fingers. Add yellow food color. Covered and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncovered. Now mix well. Now I am using 2 capsicum cut from upper sides and clean from center. Now cut from here. Now I am adding rice and capsicum. Now add 2 cloves for beautiful eyes. Now it's done. Now add tomato ketchup. Now chicken finger veg rice is ready for kids. It's yummy and delicious. Please try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like the video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.